Are you lucky enough to be going on a family picnic, down to the beach, or a festival like this? Well, I've got the perfect solution to make your life easy. And today on Fix It with Fowler, I'm going to show you why you need one of these Tecknet folding carts. So let's see what you get in the box. So obviously you get the cart and you get some instructions, but I'm not going to bother with the instructions because it is that simple. So the first thing that strikes you is the weight of this cart. It's only 10 kilograms, which means lifting it up and putting it into your car or your van is really easy. So to open the cart itself, there's some Velcro straps here. If you pull them open, that releases the cover, and this cover also makes the base. So if you put that to one side, and then if you grab the center, push that down and give it a little pull, and that forms the cart into its shape. And then you get the cover, which now forms the base, and you press that down into the bottom, and that forms a nice sturdy cart. So to use the handle, pull it up and it locks into position. It will then adapt to whatever height you're pulling at. When you're done with it and want to put it away, you just press this button and stow away the handle, and that's you ready to go. So the trolley itself is made from really thick material. It's 180 litres capacity, which is quite big, and apparently it can take 150 kilos. Now I'm 95 kilos, so let's see how it manages with this. Well, that's quite sturdy. And now we can just take it away wherever you want. You can put your stuff in it, your kids in it, you name it, you can take it away. So this cart is equipped with all-terrain wheels that are 17 centimetres in diameter. And as you can see, they're really sturdy. They're good for going over grass. It's good for bumpy, uneven surfaces. It's good for gravel surfaces. It's good for hard surfaces or uneven surfaces like this. So one last thing to mention about the wheels is when you get to where you want to go, you can literally just press that button down and lock the wheel into position, and then to unlock it, you can just press the top. Are you interested in getting one of these Tecknet folding collapsible trolleys? Well, if you are, I've got an affiliate link which is in the description, and if you use the code SteveFans, you get a staggering 18% off, which not only makes this trolley really affordable, but it makes it good value for money. And while we're on the subject, if you're liking my video up to now, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and the most important thing is to subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss out on any of my future great DIY videos. Another feature of the trolley is that it's got these pockets. Now on the side you've got this multi-use pocket and one big zip pocket, which is ideal to keep a few valuable things. And on the front you've got a couple of drinks holders that's good for soft drinks and the odd beer if you feel like it. So once you've got your trolley loaded, there's every chance that you're going to have things sticking out, and if you're using it over rough terrain, you're going to need to hold them in. Well, it's a good thing that this trolley comes with a cargo net that's fully elastic, and you can put that over your belongings to keep them in safe, or keep the kids in the trolley. So once you're finished with your trolley, if it ends up dirty, it's really simple to clean and remove this cover. You just press in this pin, pull out this plug, and that allows you then just to pull the cover off. You can then clean it, and to put it back on, you put the cover back in place, press this pin in, and then push that back. Job done. So I hope you found that video useful, and if you do decide to buy one of these carts, then let me know in the comments how you get on with them and any feedback. I'll be interested to hear your opinions. So don't forget, there's loads of other DIY videos, including reviews on my channel. I'd appreciate it if you go over, have a look, and click that subscribe button.